Yes guys, welcome to a new video, and in this video I'm gonna show you how you can put your holiday mode on in Vinted. So if you have a Vinted account and you don't want get orders and you don't want to sell anything because you're on holiday and you want to rest on your holiday, we're gonna fix your Vinted holiday mode. So, we go to Vinted and we tap Vinted, and then you come into the section of here are some products, yes, and then you tap on right below in the corner and you tap profile. And then you see already at the bottom, you see a holiday mode, and you tap simply hide my items. So if you tap hide my items, the items that you have in your store are not showed anymore to people who want to buy. So guys, don't forget to put holiday mode back off again if you're back from holiday, because then you're asking yourself why I'm not selling, and then holiday mode is still on. Yes, if you have any questions about holiday mode, please ask them in the comments, and I see you in the next video. Thank you, bye bye, see you soon.